Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. I really do appreciate it so very much. As I said in my last unboxing video, I am back at my office and trying to get into the swing of things. I'm desperately trying to get my courses together at the last minute because of a variety of things. So it is the Saturday before school starts, and I am back and I have not gotten everything set up, as you can tell. So apologies for the sound, for the lights, for the backdrop being very blah again. It will be fixed very shortly. I just wanted to get a couple unboxings done, mainly because I wanted to, well, one, I wanted to open these two, but also because I wanted to throw out the packaging and stuff, because these start taking up a lot of room. So I am going to be unboxing my Ricky's Cult Crushes as well as my Tribe Beauty Box. We're going to start with the Tribe Beauty Box because, can you hear that? It makes me a little nervous. I have split them both open just to make it faster. You do get a little card that tells you about the items and the prices in there. I think I found what is shaken around very quickly. This is what it kind of looks like. It appears that the things that are rattling around are Makeup Geek eyeshadows, and there are 3 of them. The shades are Peach Smoothie. This one is Shimma Shimma. Then we have Aphrodite. And I'm actually going to leave these in the package for today because I'm not really sure if they are something that I want to use or to open, because I might have something similar and I would rather pass along a single like that to put it in a giveaway, or if one of my friends would like it, instead of actually opening it. So those I'm not going to swatch them, I'm sorry. Next thing in here is a set of brushes from Crown. These are the same ones that we got in our BoxyCharm a little bit ago, so I'm going to put these in a giveaway or pass them along to a friend. So we're not hitting a lot already. I forgot to mention, this is a $34.99 subscription. It is every other month. So this is the August one. They skipped the June one because they were going to rebrand, I guess. And so this is supposed to be like their big reveal again, relaunch. That brush set retails for $29.99. I guess $10 a brush can be pretty normal, but I don't think they're worth $10 a piece. They're not my favorite brushes, I will put it that way. The 3 eyeshadows were $6 a piece as well. Next in here is something from So Susan, and this is a, what is this? It's a pencil. It's an eggshell. I'm gonna look at this card. This is a Haute Light highlighting pencil. So it looks like it's probably for your eyes, and I don't do well with cream products on my eyes, mainly because I am so oily. So I'm going to put this in my Pass Along too. This is pretty disappointing because this is such an expensive box. I have 2 items to go in here. The next one are from Visante. These are Makeup Magnet Wipes. Makeup cleansing wipes using micellar water. I actually could have used these a few minutes ago because I was trying to just use soap and water to get off my swatches because I forgot to bring down my makeup remover wipes. So these retail for $12. And then the last thing in this box is from Estee Lauder. It is a Pure Color NB lipstick, not lipstick, vinyl lip color. All right. And this retails for, what does this retail for? $28. So we have a $28 item, a $29, $18, and $12, and then the highlighting stick was $20 as well. So I guess technically the value is good, but there's not a lot that I will use. This is the color on this. This is the shade Shock. Whoa, I was thinking this was going to be a red, but this is very pink, very, very pink. It's looking more red because my lights are awful. There we go. So that is what it is. That's kind of pretty. it has a nice scent to it. I already have lip gloss on, but hang on, I'm going to pause. I'm going to go put this on and see what it looks like. So I actually really like this. It doesn't look like that at all in the tube. Like, I definitely, when I pulled this out, thought it was a red. But that is what it looks like. It's really kind of cooling, and that could be because I just had the Buxom gloss on. That could be a part of it. But it's a little sticky, but it's not like as sticky as the Buxom are. So I am impressed with it. It's not the best application because I just tried to throw it on really fast. But so I do think it redeemed itself in the end with these two. This retails for $28, this retails for $12. So a $40 value out of a $34.99 box. The eyeshadows are kind of, they're very neutral and useful, which is fine. Like, it's just not what I wanted out of this box. Because when I can't remember what I saw in the first couple that I was like, wow, that's really cool. But this one just didn't quite do it for me, but it did redeem itself in the end for me. Let me know what you think though. Next is Ricky's Cult Crushes. This is for August. This one is now $14 a month. And you do get like a discount through Ricky's NYC if you do an order through them. I will leave links down below. They may or may not be referrals. I will try to make sure that I list if they are. This is what it looks like in there. We're gonna do that one that just fell down because it is the heaviest thing in here. This is from Ella and Mila Love. It is the shade Wild About You. It is a little cute nail polish. It looks kind of like the nail polish I just got in my, I guess they're slightly different, very slightly different. One's a little darker than the other one. This is what I got in my glossy box. So I would rather have this one for the $14 box than the $21 box. But that's the first one. It does look to be a nice color. So, all right, not too bad to start out with. This one unfortunately does not include prices, so I'm not quite sure what the prices are on this. Next are these little clippies, and it says no crease, and it says what causes creases, heat, humidity, and unbalanced weight. So I guess these are hairstyling tools. Carry these clips on you to keep your hair looking gorgeous. I guess you could wear these. I don't know how silly they would look wearing them, because they do have kind of like a cool, but does that look stupid? Let me know. I will let you see. So yeah, those are interesting. They are from Ricky's NYC, the actual brand. So I'm not sure how much they are because they are from their website. Next up, we have a big thing in here. This is the Eau de Rose sheet mask from Jean Pierre. And I do like sheet masks. I do really like rose. This is a rose water infused hydrating sheet mask. Don't really need anything hydrating because I'm already oily, but that's okay. All right, next in here is from Galactic. It is a matte lip paint, and it is in the shade Posh. I feel like we got this in our BoxyCharm a couple months ago. That looks really familiar. Okay, so this is the shade. Hang on a second, I'm going to do some digging. All right, so I have a box of lipsticks here to declutter that I need to go through and then pass along, and Posh was in that. I did swatch it when I got it from BoxyCharm, but I remembered not really liking it, and it is the same, so I do have two of them, the one that I just threw on the ground. So I will be putting this in a future giveaway because it's not my shade. Like, some people really like browns and they look really good on them. I do not feel comfortable in them, and I'm not a fan. All right, the last thing in this month's box is from OMG. It is a pooling gel. It looks like you apply a dime-sized amount of gel on Clean Depth's nose, gently massage in circular motions and rinse off. All right, so that is kind of interesting. It does have strawberries on it, and it has strawberry seed exfoliating. All right, wonder it's sealed too, so I'm going to leave it sealed for right now because I do have something similar to use. For $14, I think this is a better deal than the $34.99 Try Beauty Box. Oh my gosh, I couldn't even think of the name. So I do like the nail polish. It's very much like one I already got. This will be nice. So will the sheet mask. I might pass on the no crease things to a friend who does more with their hair than I do. And then I do not like this. This is not my shade. So I will be passing that along. But I don't think this is as bad as a box as some of the ones that we've gotten in the past. I am planning to do one just big unboxing of all of the ones that got sent to the wrong house. So I will be having that coming at some point. I'm not going to be filming that today. I said I was only going to do 2 today to try to catch up and get ahead of the game. So anyway, let me know what your thoughts are on these, the Try Beauty Box and the Ricky's Cult Crushes. If you think either one of them was worth it, if you think one was more worth it, or if you think they were both not worth it. Let me know. I hope you are all having a fantastic day. I look forward to reading your comments. If you have not subscribed already, if you wouldn't mind hitting subscribe, it would mean so very much to me. And don't forget to like as well. I'll talk to you guys next time. Bye.